ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു PSC ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേരള PSC 2020 നവംബർ 9 നടത്തിയ അനലിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 3 ഇൻ ഡ്രഗ്സ് കൺട്രോൾ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന ചോദ്യപേപ്പറാണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് 045/2020. ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഡിസീസ് ഈസ് ട്രീറ്റഡ് വിത്ത് penicillamine? Answer option C, Wilson's disease. 2. Aluminum hydroxide gel is assayed by? Answer option B, complexometric titration. 3. An important ingredient used in commercial suntan preparation is? Option A is the right answer, titanium dioxide. 4. Which of the following drug is used in cough mixtures? Option A, potassium iodide. 5. Gut size test is used for the limit test for? Option D, arsenic. 6. Alkaline potassium mercuric iodide is known as? Option B, Nessler's reagent. 7. Which of the following is used in anti-dandruff preparations? Option C, selenium sulfide. 8. The reddish purple color formed in limit test for iron is? Option D, ferrous thioglycolate. 9. What is an Epsom salt? Option B, magnesium sulfate. 10. Which of the following drug is used as antidote in arsenic poisoning? Option A, dimercaprol. 11. Which of the following is a tropane alkaloid? Option A, hyoscyamine. 12. Which of the opium alkaloid is used to suppress unproductive cough? Option D, codeine. 13. Chemical name of heroin is? Option C, diacetyl morphine. 14. Artemisinin is a? Option B, sesquiterpene lactane. 15. An example for indole alkaloid is? Option D, strychnine. 16. Cholesterol on Oppenheimer oxidation gives? Option C, cholest 4-ene-3-1. 17. Which of the following is the starting material for the synthesis of vitamin A? Answer option B, citral. 18. Which of the following xanthine derivative has bronchodilator action? Option A, theophylline. 19. Major blood sugar in insect is? Option C, trehalose. 20. An example for an aromatic amino acid is? Option D, tryptophan. 21. Which of the following is used as stabilizer in diethyl ether? Option B, propyl gallate. 22. An example for halogenated hydrocarbon type of general anesthetic drug is? Option A, halothane. 23. Which of the following drug is an amide type of local anesthetic? Option D, lignocaine. 24. Toxic effect of isoniazid can be minimized by administering with the option C, nicotinic acid. 25. Benzodiazepine overdosage is treated with the option A, Flumazenil. 26. In which category of the antipsychotic drug chlorpromazine belongs to? Option B, phenothiazine. 27. Drug used to treat filariasis is? Option D, diethyl carbamide citrate. 28. An alkaloidal drug used as anticholinergic agent. Option C is the right answer. Physiostigmine. 29. Which vitamin is used to treat beriberi? Option D, thiamine. 30. An example for 8-aminoguanilin derivative used as anti-malarial drug is? Option B, primequine. 31. Activation of TLC plate is the process in which dash is done. Option C, heating at a high temperature. 32. Dash are used in qualitative analysis to find out whether the compound belong to homologous series. Option B, RM values. 33. Visualizing reagent for cardiac glycosides is? Option D, 3,5 dinitrobenzoic acid. 34. The non-polar stationary phase used in gas liquid chromatography is? Option A, polydimethyl siloxane. 35. Dash is a hypothetical functional unit of a column in gas chromatography. Option B, theoretical plate. 36. The fingerprint region of IR spectroscopy is? Option C, 1500 centimeter raised to -1 to 400 centimeter raised to -1. 37. Dash is the father of Quality Circle, a voluntary group of employees who work on similar tasks. Option D, Kaworu Ishikawa. 38. International Conference on Harmonization ICH Q1B guidelines describe? Option B, photostability testing of new drug substances. 39. Hollow cathode lamp is a source in dash spectroscopy. Option A, atomic absorption spectroscopy. 40. Potassium metal when excited in flame emit dash color. Option C, lilac. 41. Indeterminate errors are also called as? Option B, random errors. 42. Dash is an aprotic solvent used in non-aqueous titrations. Option A, toluene. 43. The example of fractional precipitation is? Option D, Morse method. 44. Dash is a demasking agent used in complexometric titrations. Option B, chloral hydrate. 45. The water content of glacial ethanoic acid or non-aqueous titrations may be in the range? Option C, 0.1 to 1%. 46. Dash is the indicator electrode used in potentiometric experiments. Option A, quinhydron electrode. 47. In polarography, the current which is directly proportional to the concentration is? Option C, diffusion current. 48. Dash is added in modified Volhard method for determination of chloride to form an insoluble layer over a precipitate. Option C, nitrobenzene. 49. The color change interval of phenol red indicator is? Option D, 6.8 to 8.4. 50. The theory which states that the color change of indicators are due to the structural changes. Option A, quinoid theory. 51. The alkaloid containing imidazole ring structure. Option C, pilocarpine. 52. The alkaloid which is derived from phenylalanine is. Option C, ephedrine. 53. Dash is found in the annual branchial heart of Pacific hogfish used as potent cardiac stimulant. Option A, heptatretin. 54. Dash is the antibiotic principle obtained from red algae. Option C, cycloidazamol. 55. Dash are living microorganisms when taken improve the intestinal microbial balance. Option B, probiotics. 56. Green hellebore is. Option C, veratrum. 57. The crude drug microscopy reveals sunken stomata for. Option A, ephedra. 58. Dash is a blue-green algae possessing immunostimulant activity. Option B, spirulina. 59. The medicinal preparation processed by soaking the drugs in the powdered form in a solution of sugar or jaggery is called asava. 60. The fine powder of drugs are called as dash in Ayurveda. Option B, churna. 61. Neurotransmitter released at autonomic ganglia is. Option C, acetylcholine. 62. The penalty imposed for falsely claiming to be a registered pharmacist on first conviction as per Pharmacy Act is. Option D, fine up to ₹500. 63. Analysis and testing of sample of vaccines are carried out at. Option B, Central Research Institute, Kasauli. 64. The bacterium that is most commonly used in genetic engineering. Option B, Escherichia coli. 65. Monoclonal antibodies are produced by. Option B, hybridoma technology. 66. The immunoglobulin which is seen most abundant in breast milk is. Option C, IgA. 67. The drug license for the retail sale of Schedule C and C1 drugs are issued in. Option A, Form 21. 68. The most prokaryotes do not possess. Option D, histones. 69. Teichoic acid is present in the cell wall of. Option A, gram-positive bacteria. 70. The nitrogenous base which is absent in RNA. Option B, thymine. 71. Which among the following is not a bactericidal agent? Option D, tetracyclines. 72. Which of the following is not used for evaluation of disinfectants? Option C, Ziegel-Nielsen's test. 73. The microscope which gives highest magnification. Option B, electron microscope. 74. The process by which very large protein molecules permeate into cells. Option C, endocytosis. 75. Which of the following drugs has maximum chance of absorption from gastric mucosa? Option C, phenobarbital sodium. 76. Which of the following statement regarding bioavailability of a drug is not true? Option D, low oral availability always and necessarily means poor absorption. 77. The manner of labeling of drugs are specified in Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945 as per Option A, rules 96. 78. Which one of the following drugs does not undergo hepatic first pass effect? Option D, insulin. 79. Time for peak plasma concentration Tmax indicate. Option B, the rate of absorption. 80. All of the following except one cross the blood-brain barrier. Option C, dopamine. 81. Any preparation of coca containing more than the following amount of cocaine is considered as dangerous drug. Option A, 0.1%. 82. Which one of the following is not a pro-drug? Option C, clonidine. 83. The drug which is an inhibitor of cytochrome P450 enzyme. Option A, ketoconazole. 84. Which of the following drug is not metabolized by acetylase? Option C, metoclopramide. 86. The Prevention of Cruelty of Animal Act was enacted in the year. Option A, 1960. 86. The drug which is excreted in saliva. Option A, lithium. 87. Co-administration of the following drug can result in oral contraceptive failure. Option D, rifampicin. 88. The clearance and volume distribution of a drug are 1.5 liter per hour and 60 liter respectively. What is the predicted half-life of the drug? Option B, 27.72 hours. 89. The percentage of drug remaining in body after 3 half-lives. Option A, 12.5%. 90. Which of the following is not a protease inhibitor? Option B, abacavir. 71. As per the Patents Act 1970, the term of every patent from the data of filing of application of patent shall be. Option D, 20 years. 92. The long-term administration of glucocorticoids can cause all the following except hyperkalemia. 93. The most effective group of drug for the healing of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug NSAID induced gastric ulcer. Option A, proton pump inhibitor. 94. Which one of the following anti-asthma drug is not a bronchodilator? Option D, nedocromil. 95. An incorrect statement regarding histamine is. Option C, direct action on vascular smooth muscle causing vasodilation. 96. Hemodialysis is useful in all of the following except. Option A, digoxin poisoning. 97. Apparent volume of distribution VD is more than total body fluid if the drug is. Option D, sequestered in tissues. 98. The anti-convulsant drug that produces weight loss on prolonged use. Option B, topiramate. 99. The propellant generally used for topical pharmaceutical aerosols. Option C, propane. 100th question. Type 1 glass used in pharmaceutical packaging is also known as. Option B is the right answer, borosilicate glass. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 100 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുകളും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി കാണുമല്ലോ. PSC ഇൻസൈറ്റിലെ തുടർന്നുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്